Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to share the tutorial how to watch a live video on TikTok application by iOS or iPhone. So first thing we have to do is just go into the TikTok application. We just need to open the TikTok first. Let's open it. Okay, and after we are already in a TikTok application, make sure that you are in a home section. You can just take a look on this down side here. There will be a lot of tools or a lot of button. First button is home, so this one is a place or a segment or a place that a lot of random videos come up into your screen. And this one is friends, means that this will consisting all of the content that create by your friends. This one is to create a new content. This one is for you to have a conversation with your friends, and this one is go into your profile. If you want to watch a live video on a TikTok, you just need to take a look on this upper left corner. There is a TV symbol with a live typewriting on there. You just need to click it.
Ada juga perasa energinya nih. Oke, bentuknya seperti apa Kang?
Okay, and now you just need to like scrolling down and find out what live video that you want to watch. And that's all the way how you watch a live video on CapCut. On a TikTok application. So if you find that this tutorial is really useful for you, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.